Figma just dropped a new update on Vector. So this is a mind-blowing option from Figma. So basically what happens with this particular update is you can just drag any image into Figma and you can able to convert that particular image into vector within a fraction of seconds. Now let us see how we can able to do that. So currently I'm just jumping into the internet where I'm just trying to find some vector bike or so. So basically this is a normal image. I'm just copying this image and jumping into Figma and just pasting it here. And when you click on this, I can able to see a contextual bar here. And when you click on this more, I can able to see a vector option. So click on this vector option, the entire image is going to convert into vector option itself. Now you can see this is analyzing the entire image and it actually converts this entire image into a vector. On the left side panel, you can able to see all the details, the vector conversions, and on the right side you can able to see the colors. And also there is an option here, you can able to change this particular frame has 28 colors. So I can able to reduce the colors. Just when I change this, automatically the colors are going to be reduced. So this update is really helpful. Instead of using multiple tools or multiple softwares, a designer can use only single software, which is Figma, and they can able to create images, vector objects, convert that, and they can able to create vector objects as well in Figma itself. And again, they want to change the color, they can able to select particular color here. For example, I'm just selecting the orange color and I can change this color to some different color. So this is also possible in Figma as well. And in case if you want to go for a live image, let's go for a different example. I'm just going for bird image here. So I really found this particular bird. This looks really great. I'm just copying this image and jumping into Figma again and pasting it here. And this has been pasted. Now I'd like to convert this image into a vector. So again, you just need to do one thing here. Just click on this image, click on more option, and you can able to see Vectorize. So it converts the entire image into a vector format. So this update is really helpful, guys. So by this, you can convert any image, something like this. This is the bird image that I converted it. And if you want, you can able to change the colors, or like this actually change the colors too. And if you want, you can able to convert or like remove anything which is not necessary here. For example, I'm just selecting this and click on delete, so I can able to delete this. So this is how you can able to edit anything inside Figma. So this is a vectorized format, so you can convert any particular image into a vector format in Figma itself.